Alright guys, check it out. So today we have a little bit of an upgrade to the camera kit. I'm going to try to do some videos with an action camera that I have. It is not a GoPro. This is not GoPro brand. I bought this at Walmart for $25. It's an action camera accessory kit. Go anywhere, GoPro action camera essentials. So it says GoPro on the box, but it is not GoPro brand or anything like that. So I'm going to try to open it up and show you guys what I've got. Some of this stuff I've already had, but I just decided to get this because it included a lot of the things that I didn't have or didn't need, or that I did need, excuse me. So I needed a chest mount mostly, and this had a chest mount, so I figured I'd buy this and include all of that versus buying a chest mount separately for the same price. This was all, I believe, $25. Let's see. Got the buoy. Got the extender stick, selfie stick, and then this looks like maybe a headband. Okay, so let's just go over real quick what it has. It has the case, headband, chest strap, buoy, selfie stick, a couple of other things, a dash mount, some stickies, some helmet mounts, the receivers for those helmet mounts, a bicycle mount, and some other tassels. Okay, so let's open it up and see. Sorry if I put you off to the side here if you can't really see what I have. We'll start off with this one. Cool, so this right here is the chest mount. It's pretty sturdy. Sorry. Put it on here in a second. Right, bag 2. I don't really know what this one is. If anybody knows, comment down below. Some kind of weird little attachment that you can connect it to, but I don't know what it is. Maybe I'll look it up and see. Alright, so this is a clicker for the helmet mounts. Well, I guess you could, I guess they don't have to be helmet mounts, but I think that's what they say they are, or that's at least what I'm used to these being. So you take the sticky, you put it on the bottom of this, and then you put this through, and it mounts to a helmet. You got that, and then you got a bike mount, a bicycle handlebar mount. Or I guess you could use this on other circular things, but I think it's typically for a bicycle. Then we have I believe this goes with the chest strap. So take this, you slide it down into the chest strap, like so, and then you mount your camera on it, just like that. Another helmet mount. This one's concave, I believe, or convex. I'm not sure. It's like that, so you can put it on the helmet. It's not flat. I don't know what this one is. I don't know what this one is. Yeah, so these just look like attachments that you would connect to the bike mount, just like this. And then I guess get a further extension. I'm not really sure. And then we have the extension, so the selfie stick, swivels. Maybe I have to back it off to swivel it. So you got swivels, and then you tighten it down like that, and it extends. So that's pretty far. And then collapses. That'll come in maybe handy. I'm not really sure. Let's see what else. Okay, this is the dash mount. So I'm assuming I can put this on my car and mount the camera like this. But again, you have a little mount here that you can tighten up, place the camera on. It's ironic that I have the camera not mounted on anything right now, taking a video of all of this mounting equipment. And this is the head strap. So, looks pretty good. I'm assuming we would put one of these little connectors on it too, just like so. Or maybe the camera just goes on it directly. I'm not really sure. Got all that out of the way, and then finally we have the buoy. So this is like if you're going in water, you would have this, and you would just connect the camera on this right here like that. So you put the camera here in like a case for water, and then you put it on this, and this is a little buoy so it would float. And then I think you put this little extension on here somehow, and then wrap it around so that you don't lose it on your wrist. Cool. So yeah, so that is the setup. I'm going to try to put a little bit of this on and then see what you guys think of it. So I'm going to pause the video right here and put it on. Actually, yeah, I'll put on the chest mount, put on the head mount, and then restart the video. Alright guys, so check it out. This is the head mount and what the video looks like with it on. Pardon my bathroom, it's a little dirty, but that's what it looks like. So then, now we're going to take this off, pull it, and put it on the chest mount, if we can. One thing I've found is that it's really hard to line up these holes right here with each other. And I realize I'm moving the camera around a lot. I apologize. Alright, let's see. Can we put it in? Okay, cool. Turn it right, okay, turn it right. Back that off a little bit. Boy. Okay, so I realize I have this thing upside down. If I didn't, I think I'd be able to twist this more. So let's unmount that. Try to get as much of this in the video as possible. Make sure this is the right way to do it. So we take that out, push that back in from the top, clips in, put it back in. I guess it's easier to, you should always be tightening it from your right hand side. So if it's coming from the left hand side, then you got it upside down. But yeah, so that's the chest mount video, or excuse me, the chest mount, what it looks like, and then the head mount. Thanks for watching. Oops. Alright guys, so we got the chest mount on, and we're going to go for a little bit of a ride. I'm thinking that I need to put it a little bit more up, so as I adjust the camera, bear with me. We're just going to give this a go, really quick like, and see how the video is. You'll notice I have some videos about this bike. I've been noticing that this sometimes gets caught up right here. It's a little bit of a problem. So like whenever you cut all the way one way, it gets stuck in front of this light and then starts pulling on this cable right here. That cable is fed into the bike. Anyway. Alright. Okay. You're looking down. us a short ride of what it looks like. I am interested to see how this thing picks up my voice in the wind. Test, test, test. We're on the Concord 27.5. It's light wind, a gentle breeze, definitely some wind though. And we will review the video and see if it picked it up. So one thing I also did was I adjusted the barrel on the derailleur, and the shifting has seemed to smooth way out. I don't have to push this any additional time to be able to get the shift down. All right. I'm just going to make a quick loop. And I'm going to move this camera up a little bit just to see if that makes a difference. Sorry if that messed you guys up. All right, and we're going to stop and go. Here we go. I'll be interested to know if you guys can hear the motor. In the last video that I put, I had the camera mounted here, and I can't really hear the motor while I'm riding the bike, but because I was silent while I was riding last time, I could definitely hear it in the background. So it'll be interesting to see if it picks up that drone of the motor again over my voice in the wind, because it was windy last time. And if it's shaking around, or if there's something going on with the video that you guys don't like, just keep in mind this is my first recording with a chest mount, so things will be learned. Adjustments will be made. Rabbits try to kill you. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, well that's a wrap. That's just about a 3/4 mile ride with the Focus chest mount from Walmart. I picked up my local Walmart in-store. You'll probably be able to pick it up just the same. Thanks for watching. Ooh, almost nailed the car. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, ask questions if you want me to do more content. Thanks. Out.